This is the best trading strategy in the world. From right here to where it is right now, it just made $100,000 and the profits are still increasing. So if you also want to make $100,000 trading Forex, buy a Lamborghini, Ferrari and travel to Dubai just using your mobile phone, this video is for you. Right now, we actually have a perfect entry and I'm going to enter a sell trade with 0.1. Since today we are using the best strategy ever, I'm going to enter as many trades as possible. For the broker that I'm using, the link is in the video description, or you can scan this QR code right here. Gold is actually responding and following our strategy, and now we are in some small profit. So I'm going to add more trades because today we have to make minimum $50,000 with this actual strategy. And while the market is still going up and down, let me share with you this actual strategy which is going to change your life. To win non-stop with this actual strategy, you're going to be using two indicators. This actual moving average right here, this will give us the direction and also the perfect entries which actually make you money. Then the MACD down here to actually increase the accuracy of this whole strategy up to 99.9%. For you to actually have all these cards in your house or from Forex trading, you actually have to have the best trading strategy which actually win one trade out of the other. And at one point, it must make you minimum $50,000 so that we can actually change your life completely. Let's find a clear chart so that I can show you how this actual strategy works. Okay, right here, we have a very clear chart. This moving average, we can actually see it's very clear. When the market is below the moving average, we only focus on sell trades. And when the market is above this actual moving average, we only focus on buy trades. The first powerful thing about this actual strategy is that this actual indicator right here is a strong support or resistance. When the market is below it, it will actually support it, and when it's above, it also bounces on this actual indicator. And this actually works perfect when you want to enter with sniper entries and actually make a lot of money quickly. So when gold is not above this actual moving average, what we want to see is gold forming a retracement, coming back to this actual moving average. But at the same time, you also want to see the MACD bars staying above the zero line. This is very important because it actually confirms that the market still wants to go in the same direction that it was, and also it confirms that the market is not changing direction from being in an uptrend to being in a downtrend. The first green candle that you see bouncing on this actual moving average is where exactly you want to start to enter your trades. And if you do exactly this, you will never go wrong because gold will actually shoot up into direction with no questions asked. This is exactly what happened right here. You can actually see from right here, gold shoot up without turning back. And all these other retracements in between here are opportunities to actually add more profits so that we can actually double, triple the profits that we could have made in just one trade. For a sell trade, you reverse the rules. Look right here, gold was crossing this actual moving average, going up and down. But when you look down here, you can actually see that the MACD bars were still above the zero line, which means you're not entering a sell trade here. So you now wait for gold to actually show you that it really wants to go down, and the MACD bars, you will see them starting to appear below the zero line. Then when you see a retracement coming back, this actual moving average, you also want to see the MACD bars staying below the zero line, like exactly what happened right here. On the first red candle that you have exactly on this actual indicator is where you actually enter and make profit as the market is going down. Even if your goal is to make 50k, 100k on one trade, when you're trading gold with a good broker, it's very possible. Now going back to our trades, you can actually see we are deep in profits. $4,000, $18,000, the profits are coming in quick. This is all possible using this base trading strategy which I've just given you today. The settings of these indicators I'm going to give you once we hit our target, which is $50,000. So like this video to give me good luck. Oh guys, look what's happening right now. The profits are coming in fast. We're about to hit our target. Should I hold on to this trade or should I close? This is the best trading strategy in the world. From right here to where it is right now, it just made $100,000 and the profits are still increasing. So if you also want to make $100,000 trading Forex, buy a Lamborghini, Ferrari and travel to Dubai just using your mobile phone, you only need these two indicators. The first indicator right here is called a moving average. Period is 20. Method exponential. Apply to close and color black. And this other indicator down here is called MACD. This is the one which actually increases the accuracy of this strategy up to 99.9%. So if you also want to make $100,000 with this best trading strategy in the world, comment below MACD and I'll give you the settings of this actual indicator so that you can start to win again and again. One day your house will be full of cars just like this. Make sure to like this video and subscribe because this is you in the next few months.